Welcome to this tutorial on Acorns versus Stash investment features, where we will explore the key differences and similarities between these two popular investment platforms. First, let's start with the basics. Both Acorns and Stash are micro-investing apps that allow users to invest small amounts of money into a diversified portfolio. They both offer a range of investment options, including stocks, bonds, and ETFs. One of the main differences between Acorns and Stash is their investment approach. Acorns uses a robo-advisor model, which means it uses algorithms to automatically diversify and manage your portfolio. Stash, on the other hand, offers a more hands-on approach, allowing users to choose from a range of individual stocks and ETFs. In terms of fees, Acorns charges a flat monthly fee of $1 for accounts under $1,000 and 0.25% per year for accounts over $1,000. Stash charges a flat monthly fee of $1 for accounts under $1,000 and 0.25% per year for accounts over $1,000, plus a $1 per month fee for retirement accounts. Another key difference is the minimum investment requirement. Acorns has no minimum investment requirement, while Stash requires a minimum investment of $5. Both platforms offer a range of educational resources and tools to help users get started with investing. Acorns offers a range of financial literacy articles and videos, while Stash offers a range of investment guides and tutorials. In terms of security, both platforms are registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission and offer SIPC insurance, which protects users' investments up to $500,000. When it comes to customer support, both platforms offer a range of support options, including email, phone, and in-app support. Ultimately, the choice between Acorns and Stash will depend on your individual investment goals and preferences. If you prefer a hands-off approach and are looking for a low-maintenance investment option, Acorns may be the better choice. If you prefer a more hands-on approach and are looking for more control over your investments, Stash may be the better choice. By understanding the key differences and similarities between Acorns and Stash, you can make an informed decision about which platform is right for you.